Introduction. Learn how to earn from home through affiliate marketing, a popular method for generating income remotely. Definition. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission for promoting products or services. Process. You partner with companies, share unique links, and earn when your audience makes a purchase through your referrals. Benefits. Low startup costs, flexible hours, and the potential for passive income make affiliate marketing appealing. Strategies. Effective affiliate marketers focus on niche selection, content creation, SEO optimization, and building a loyal audience. Platform options. Choose from various platforms like blogs, social media, YouTube, or email newsletters to promote products. Legal aspects. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to comply with regulations and build trust with your audience. Challenges. Competition, changing algorithms, and maintaining relevance can be hurdles in affiliate marketing success. Success tips. Consistency, authenticity, quality content, and staying updated on industry trends are key to thriving in this field. Conclusion. With dedication and strategic efforts, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding way to work from home and generate income.